going on, guys? Zach from Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson here, and check out this wicked awesome bike. This is a 2019 Harley-Davidson Deluxe. Go ahead and cue the intro. Welcome back, and check it out. Super low mileage 2019 Harley-Davidson Deluxe, done absolutely right. As you can see, this bike is chock full of extras. You're gonna have the 21-inch Fat Daddy spoke wheels in the front with the gold accents. You've got the matching wheel in the back as well. The bars on this bike, these are Carlini panty dropper bars here. Give it that nice cholo look. I believe these are 16-inch as well. And it really just goes well with this color, those wheels, and the color of the bike. The bike is, the paint scheme is called Rawhide. Beautiful shade of brown. You're gonna have your Samson dual fishtails in the back. And then there's that iconic tombstone light that the Deluxe features. You're gonna have your brown diamond stitched Mustang seat. It's actually super comfortable. And you're gonna have your Arlen Ness intake right there as well, with the brass or the gold plate on there. You got your yellow fog lights. All LEDs, every light on this bike is LED. And let's go ahead and see how many miles are on this bike. Only 2,847, that's crazy. Super low mileage. And we're gonna go ahead and give the exhaust a listen here. She sounds great. If you guys want to find out more information about this bike, make sure you come see Zach at Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson, Southaven, Mississippi.